Hi guys, this is TAMARA LINKOWSKI from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and we are going to make cornbread. So what I got here is one of the little packets of skinny bread. You can order the bulk size and just use a 1/4 cup of it in here. You can do whatever you want. Let me grab my fork. And what we're going to do to this, we're making it protein style. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of egg whites, 2 tablespoons of plain non-fat Greek yogurt. I am going to add about a tablespoon of sweetie, and you can get this on Amazon. Hopefully I'll be selling it soon, but it's a cornbread flavoring from OOOflavors.com, okay? Amazon does sell it, not a bottle this big, but you can get it there and then they'll ship it to you real quick. What you want to do is about 1/8 of a teaspoon. So this is a 1/4 teaspoon, so I'm going to use half of this in here, and I'm going to mix it and microwave it for 90 seconds, and we will be right back. All right guys, look at how it looks. Cornbread, that's all protein. No, this whole thing is maybe 3 carbs, that's it, okay? And it's only about 150 calories, and this is a meal replacement. Look at how beautiful it comes out, guys. Okay, so come see us. We're in the Davison Farmers Market. We're here every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. And if you don't live nearby, be sure to go on the website, HealthyTreatsMarket.com. You can click on the 3 bars. You can look at the recipe menu. You can look at the cafe menu. If you scroll down below the shop button, there's video classes. You can watch all the classes that I do live here. Okay, thanks for watching. God bless you.